All right, we're going to the farmer's market, and I don't like crowds, so this is going to be fun. And if you're old like me, you don't like crowds either.
I'm old.
Okay, so I posted up in a spot. Not too bad. I would imagine once there's some wrestling going on here, and I would imagine once the wrestling starts, people are going to fill into this area. But right now, it's not too bad. You always got to have somebody there to keep you from going ape shit. That's not her. Great. Step 2, to avoid the crowds, or at least tolerate the crowds, find some liquid courage. Step 3, get a little bit wider. When you stand wider in a big crowd like this, at least you'll get a little circle space. You always got to turn the right way so you can get the right light. If I turn this way, well, actually, now it's good. It's not bad. It's not bad. All right, we're gonna go find some tacos. Crowded situation tip number 7: teamwork. One person waits in line, the other person goes and finds shorter lines and finds better tacos. She's back here somewhere getting other tacos while I'm waiting in the good taco line, apparently. So apparently another way to battle the crowds, eat a lot of food. Especially if they're tacos. I'm full of tacos and I'm feeling pretty good. Screw these crowds. Here's another tip if you're in a crowded place. Go find a vendor that is out of food and hang out by their van. Look at this, look at this. They're out of food, nobody is in line. You just come over here and stand around all day and just have a little break from the crowd. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, like, subscribe, all that kind of stuff, that'd be appreciated. I really appreciate it. And we'll see you on the next one. We tried this scooter and it didn't work. It's an Uber. It's an Uber scooter. So, you know, boo Uber scooter. I was trying to be young and cool. It didn't work out for me. Maybe some other time. Next time I come downtown in, you know, like 2025.